Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a hot bourbon ham quesadilla. First thing we gotta do is make our bourbon barbecue sauce, which starts off with 2 cups of ketchup in a pot. Then followed by a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you want about 3 tablespoons or so of honey. And salt and pepper to taste. Again, it's barbecue sauce. I recommend going kind of heavy on the pepper. Then we want a teaspoon of dried mustard and a 1/2 cup of your favorite bourbon. And then you want to kind of simmer this on the stove for about 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Okay, after about 15-20 minutes, you should be looking at something that looks a little bit like this. And basically kill the heat, let it cool down, put it in a condiment bottle, and let's go make our quesadilla. Alrighty, as you can see here, I've got my tortilla. We're going to add some ham that I chopped up. Virginia ham to be specific. Some freshly shredded cheddar cheese. Alright, and then we're going to spread our barbecue sauce on top of there. Fold it in half, press everything down, and let's go to the griddle. But before we do, make sure you brush your quesadilla with some butter. This just makes a nicer crust. It is optional. You don't need to do it, but it takes 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see here, I've got it on the griddle. I'm buttering the other side. And you want to griddle this over about medium heat until basically the sides are golden brown, and then we should be ready to serve. Looking for something a little bit like that. I might give this another flip around, let that other side brown up just a little more, but we're looking for some nice browning like that. Alright, and after a few minutes have gone by, our quesadilla is done. The only thing to do now is cut it into 4 pieces, and that's that. So that's a Bourbon Hot Ham Quesadilla. Done.